Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share top 5 tips for beginners in pencil sketching. This is not any kind of paid promotional video. I preferably use Apsara and domes for my pencil sketching. So here is tip number 1. Always start off with affordable products. Here are few I use and the prices are shown below. Apsara HB pencils and charcoal pencils cost hardly 50 rupees per pack. Find the product link in the description that I have mentioned. Let's look at tip number 2. Always keep your pencils sharp. Blunt pencils ruins the art. Apsara also provides different HB pencils starting with HB, 2HB, 4HB, 6HB, 8HB and 10HB for precise sketching. It also provides an extra eraser along with the pack. Now let's look at tip number 3. Use charcoal pencils to provide high definition and realistic look. Here I am using Apsara charcoal pencils. These pencils has wide variety of range starting from soft, medium and hard. These soft, medium and hard pencils are used to provide different textures. These pencils are used for shading and to create high definition of your drawing. These pencils are also used for creating darker backgrounds, as you can see in this video. These pencils enhances the aesthetics of your drawing, which makes it more real. Now let's jump to tip number 4. Always start off with creating grids for your drawing, which helps in ease sketch. Now tip number 5. Always use a piece of paper or a piece of cotton swab to avoid smudging. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.